The Ford Fusion LED Bulbs Kit offers a comprehensive lighting solution with a combination of high beam, low beam, and fog light bulbs that fit seamlessly into models from 2006 to 2018. These LED bulbs emit a striking 6,500 Kelvin cool white light, ensuring enhanced visibility and safety on the road. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, these bulbs significantly outlast traditional halogen lights, thanks to their efficient cooling system and durable construction. The kit's design mimics the original halogen beam pattern, providing a perfect beam without black spots or dark zones, which enhances driving safety without dazzling other drivers. The LEDs are impressively bright, rated at 600% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs, and they perform exceptionally well even in challenging weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with a plug-and-play design, requiring no tools or modifications, making it an ideal choice for quick and hassle-free upgrades.